Welcome to my channel, and welcome to Mad Hatter Bags.
Hey everyone, welcome to Mad Hatter Bags. My name is Chris, and I hope you're having a fabulous day today. Thank you so much for tuning in to watch my video. I appreciate that. Y'all, today we're gonna go over and review. I'm gonna show you a bag that I just got. It is the Coach Empire in the 28 size that just came out, and it's in that beautiful green suede. I got the bag from Dillard's because it's not on the Coach website yet, but it may be as the time this video comes out. So go ahead and check it out if you're interested in this bag. It's a really nice bag, but come to find out after I got the bag, it just wasn't for me, and I'll go over the reasons why, and I'll show you the bag before I actually return it, because this is gonna be a return to Dillard's. Sorry, Coach, it just wasn't my kind of bag this time. I love the Empire, and I'm thinking that maybe I may just get it in the other green color, but this suede just wasn't doing it for me, and I'll tell y'all why in just a little bit. But before I show you this Empire 28, I do want to say thank you to all my returning subscribers. Now, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave. I appreciate that. And if everybody could just take a moment to give my video a like before you go, if you enjoyed it, I do appreciate that as well. Now, y'all, if you'd like to follow me on any of my other social media, y'all hop on over and follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and my TikTok channel. I do a lot of fun stuff on TikTok, and I post images on Instagram as well from time to time. And for everything else, Mad Hatter, don't forget to check out my beacon links. It's gonna be the first link under my YouTube bio, and you can find lots of great information there and some shopping links as well, so definitely check that out. Y'all, a lot of my viewers have been asking to see the bags up close in my cabinets back there, so I'm gonna give you a little bit of footage here in this video so that you can see everything up close, and I'll show up everything I've got in my cabinets. Some really cute stuff, so stay tuned and check it out. All right, y'all, with all that out of the way, let's go ahead and get on to this Coach Empire 28 in this olive green suede. Now, y'all, like I said, when I first saw this bag, I just thought, olive green suede Empire, it's me. And I was wanting a smaller Empire because I've had the 48 in the love leather. I've had the 40 in the love leather, which I still have behind me in the middle there, as you can see, which I totally love that size bag. The 48 was a little too big for me in that bag. But I do love the green, the olive green in the leather. So I may actually go back and get that bag instead of this bag that I have here in the suede, because number one, this bag was just a little bit too small for me. And I'm not too sure about the suede. And obviously the green, it just isn't giving green to me, as you'll see. But let's open the bag up so I can show you what I'm talking about. So Here is the little bag, and this is the size 28 in the suede. Let's open it up. It came in this little dust bag here. It did come from Dillard's. They didn't have any of the packaging or anything when I got it, and I just picked it up there. It was one of those order and then pick up deals, so I did that yesterday. All right, yeah, so here she is, and let's reveal her. You know how we feel about a dust bag. Just a damn dust bag. All right, y'all, so there is the Empire 28, and this is, like I said, that beautiful olive color. And it is a really pretty bag. It just, to me, is not for me. So if you like it, that's great. I love the bag. It's a beautiful bag. So I'm not saying don't get this Coach bag, because if you like it, get it. Just not for me. And for the price, this is about a $600 bag. I just couldn't spend that on something I didn't really 100% truly love. So, but I'll show you the bag, and then she's promptly going to be returned to Dillard's. So let's go over the bag a little bit. I'll do a 360 of it and show it to you. And then she's going to go back to Dillard's later on this evening. But it is beautiful, and I do like the suede. I just wish it was a little bit more green for me, and maybe just a tiny bit bigger. I knew it was a 28, but I don't know. They need to come out with something a little bit in between. So let's see. In between, when I say in between the 28 and the 40 size, something in the 30-ish range, 35-ish. But I know they have a, 32 maybe, that's in that longer east-west style. It's not for me, but I want this style in just a little bit of a bigger bag. So if y'all know of anything that would fit me for this in the right color, please let me know in the comments. And y'all please comment about this bag and let me know what you think in my comments. I really appreciate that and love reading the comments as well. So let's do the 360. This is the front side of her. And then move into the sides. It feels really nice. The suede on it feels really good. Still has the tag on it there from Dillard's. And then there is the side there. And then there's the bottom with the little feet, okay? Now let's move in a little bit closer, and I'll show you some close-up details of the suede. There is the Coach logoing on the front. And the suede is really beautiful as well. There's the little hang tag that comes on it. And of course it has the gold hardware on it. But yeah, she's a really pretty bag. But I just don't think it's giving green to me. It looks more of like a grayish color. Y'all tell me what you think. Green, gray. It's got a little bit of green hue to it, but it's just not the green I was looking for. There's your feet on the bottom there. And so that's the outside and 360 of the bag. Let me show you the top part of it here. I'm trying to be real careful with it because I am returning it, and somebody else is gonna get this bag and hopefully love it. There's the top with the zipper. I really wish they would have done the hardware, and I'm just partial to silver, but I wish they would have done the hardware in the silver color. All right, y'all, so here is the inside. Let's open her up. All right, there is the interior of the bag. So you do have your pocket here with your lined leather and your little strap pieces there, just like the other Empire. Here is the strap that came with it, and it's a beautiful suede as well with that gold hardware on it. And it's all attached because, like I said, I will be returning this bag to Dillard's promptly. It does have the little attachment thingy down in there so that you can attach stuff to keep it from falling out, but it's really nice. But it just has that one pocket in there with the Journey tag and your lined leather, and then the rest of it is just one big opening there. But that is it, y'all, and that is the outside and the interior of the bag. And like I said, it's a really beautiful bag, but just not for me. The size, the color, it's just not me. But I do love this suede on it, so I'm hoping that they come out with something a little bit more of maybe a brighter green in the suede, or just some other alternative colors with this Empire style. I really love the Empire bag. But let's get her zipped up, and I'm gonna repack her and send her back to Dillard's, and maybe she'll find a new home, hopefully to someone that really loves her. So, but that is the Coach Empire 28 in the suede green color, and I just wanted to show everybody in case you're interested in the bag before you go and actually get it. I probably should have researched the color of it, but online to me it looked a little bit different than actually in person. So, but that is it. And I'm gonna post a couple of pictures in this video of this bag as well in different light, because it does change with the different hues and different types of lighting. All right, y'all, so that's my review for today on this beautiful Empire 28. Regrettably, it's gonna have to be returned to Dillard's, though. It's just not for me. But do let me know what you think about this bag in the comments. I'd love to read it. Also, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet and you love luxury like I do, y'all please go ahead, hit that subscribe button today. And don't forget to give my video a like if you will on the way out. I appreciate that. And I'll see everybody on my next video review. Bye.